ForkFocus block clamp is designed for the safe and efficient handling of various masonry and brick units. It is ideal for palletless transportation and stacking operations in industries such as floor tiles, aerated concrete blocks, precast concrete, stone, and graphite. The optimized structural design ensures superior visibility during operation, and the T-shaped sliding pair provides high strength and uniform force distribution. Especially the dual-purpose block clamp combines the functions of a fork clamp and a block clamp. It allows seamless switching between functions during palletized operations, enhancing working productivity.